Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rakesh and this is my second video in my YouTube channel. And I create video related to English practice. So in this video, I'm going to share my English speaking journey with all of you. When did I start practicing English? How did I start speaking English? And where did I begin? So it's very important to all of you. Please watch this video till the end and get some valuable information. So my friend, actually let's go back some few years. I was working. I was working in PWD Public Work Department, Haryana Public Work Department in Chandigarh. Everything was going well. So one day I was going to market with my friend on a bike. I was sitting on a back seat in the middle of the city. In the middle of the city, we had a minor accident. I fell down and I got some internal injury. That time I didn't feel so much pain and I thought everything was okay. Then I kept going to office and working. But I after 6 months I started having pain in my hips and back. So that day, that time I actually went to PGI for checkup. So my doctor prescribed me some painkiller because in pain, if you have pain in body, so maximum time doctor actually prescribed painkiller. So that time I also got painkiller and doctor actually took X-ray, but in X-ray everything was good. So I thought everything was good. So why did I think too much? Why did I take tension? I was worried about my job, so I didn't pay attention to my health. I kept going to office and working. So after 6 months, the pain actually increased in my back and hips. So that was very severe pain. And after 2 and 3 days, I became bedridden. So I called to my father. So my father actually came to my room in Chandigarh because that time actually I was not able to walk properly and I couldn't actually go to PGI alone. So I actually went to PGI again with my father. So again they actually prescribed me painkiller and some kind of other calcium and other medicine and lotion something. So I had to come back to my hometown and my father actually suggested me that you should take Ayurvedic medicine, Ayurvedic treatment. So I started taking Ayurvedic medicine and treatment. I actually at home there was a bath nearby my home, nearby my town. So I went there. So I actually went there. I saw them. So they prescribed me some Ayurvedic medicine, and I started taking that medicine. So but actually I believed too much. I believed very much on Ayurveda and Ayurvedic treatment. But the reality actually it takes actually too much time to recover. But that time I actually I had to take Ayurvedic medicine because I couldn't take painkiller for long time because it was actually harmful for my kidney and other like stomach, kidney and liver. So I started taking Ayurvedic medicine. So after 1 year, I recovered a lot. My pain, back pain, hips pain, like 90% hips and back pain actually went. So I thought I should start practicing English while staying at home. I came across one YouTube channel whose video actually inspired me a lot. So I that time I decided I would learn, I would speak and practice English, and I would be a fluent English speaker. So I started practicing grammar. I started learning grammar. Like I used to make note. Okay. So my first step was actually I thought if my base was good, then I can able to speak. But if my base was not good, then I was not able to speak. So I wanted to make my base strong. So I started practice. I started learning grammar, grammar tricks, grammar rule. I used to make note, grammar note. I used to make sentence. I used to write down vocabulary words. Okay, and I used to make sentence on that vocabulary words. Okay, and I remembered that vocabulary words. I recited that vocabulary words 2, 4, 5, 6 times. So that was my first step. That was going on for 6 months, and I also started uh, reading and listening practice as well. So I learned grammar rules and tricks. I wrote down some vocabulary words and made sentence on that vocabulary word. So I actually maintained that strategy for 6 and 7 months. Then after 6 and 7 months, actually I got some confident, and I got some little bit confident for speaking. So at that point, I wanted to speak. I wanted to practice with someone, but I couldn't find partner to speak. So one day I came across with one application. That application name was Joestock. So I downloaded that application and I got subscription, 6 months subscription of that application. And then I actually studied about the rule and regulation of that application. So in that application, I got 90 lesson, 90 lesson where there were four part in every one lesson. So in four part, one part was practicing. So in this application, I got 10 minutes. That was the application rule. I got 10 minutes. First 20 lesson, I got 10 minutes to practice with someone. So, so that 10 minutes was very difficult for me to spend with someone while speaking. But I gathered some courage and I told myself, if I want to learn, if I want to speak, then I have to take a first step. That is very necessary. Then I started, then I started making call and practice English with a stranger in that application. In starting 10, 20 days, I was not able to speak properly. Okay, and I actually made so many mistakes while speaking. But slowly, I got some command. Actually, starting understanding the rule, grammar rule, how can I make sentence. Everything I learned about practicing in that Jokes application. So I kept practicing, no matter whether I was making mistake or not, because that time it was very necessary to speak, not to make mistake. Because in starting time, when someone actually trying to learn some language, so in starting time, anyone actually make mistake. I maintained continuous practice over the phone call. After 5 and 6 months, my confidence level increased. So I started spending more time with my English partner in this application. So, my friend, that was my English speaking journey. How did I learn? where did I start? So, my friend, learning language, yeah, learning English is not tough, but it's also not that easy because we all are from Hindi medium background. So, for Hindi medium background and those person who actually speak in Hindi in mother tongue language at home, little bit difficult because they will have to start practicing English, learning English from the starting. They have to start like a children, okay, like in childhood. Our mother, our relatives, they actually teach us how to speak in mother tongue language. At same, we have to take same strategy. We have to adopt same strategy. So English is not that much tough. The thing is that if you decide that you can learn, you can speak, then everyone can learn and speak. So if you want to practice with me, if you want to have a conversation with me like a phone call, yeah, like a voice call, then you can message me on my WhatsApp. You can also comment me down below. Let's learn, let's practice together. I'm also a learner, you are also a learner. So let's practice together and build some confidence. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.